Our next speaker is Terrell Russell with the iRODS Consortium, and the song is entitled An Experimental Python iRODS CLI and TUI.
Experimental. It's not real. It's just in my computer. Nobody else has seen it. This was about the time that all the robots happened. So I also don't know Rust. So I was like, oh, let's make a Rust application. That's fun. So I made a Rust library using my robot friends that was very similar to the Python HTTP library. And it was great. Wonderful. I don't know Rust. Looks fine. And then I said, well, let me make a TUI because I liked the TUI library that I found in Rust. It's called Ratatouille, which is a great name. It turns out it's really fast, but I couldn't really audit the code, which I still felt was very important in March. Still feel very important in July. So I said, okay, wait. This is proven. I like it. It kind of works. I'm kind of fond of this thing, but it doesn't do everything yet. Let me see if I can do it in Python. So I told it to take the thing and make the thing in Python and use the textual library, which is a TUI library in Python. And that was in, March. And then there's, what is that? Commit 61 of 1,000. So there is now, so that's built on top of a branch that I had already started where I was adding a potential CLI to the Python library because obviously everybody's building their own things now. I was trying to figure out how to reduce the number of things that we have to maintain. We already have a PRC out there. It's just a library. It doesn't have a binary associated with that, an actual function. So I made one. This was mostly designed by me, filled in a little bit by the robots, but then you can look at it and I can make it work. So not all of these are filled out and work, but this is all of the functionality for basically for all of what iCommands does, but now it's just iRODS subcommand and then something else. So we've seen one in Go, we've seen one in Rust. I started before you did, and now yours is probably better, and that's fine. I haven't seen this yet from anybody, so we can argue about if this is useful. This is the TUI. We're going to spend a whole minute looking at it, so you're going to learn everything. It's all, these are the nouns are across the top. If you have 1 million users, I don't know what it does. I guess it just scrolls off the bottom of the screen. I haven't tested that yet. But I can edit these and then, put them in a different group and then hit submit. And then the group's there. Yay, we did it. We can come over, we can search groups, you can filter. You can type, then you can find your users. Groups are here. You can add users to groups and you can make groups to users. Resources, you can come and you can edit them. No, not if you hit the wrong key. You hit the E key. Nope, that's not what I wanted either. The M for move. And then you can say, put it out here. No, unstage, unparent. That's what I want. You hit enter, so you can do your tree surgery in a GUI. That's kind of cool. It put it on the right because you want those things maybe to be atomic with multiple things at the same time. Not much you can do with zones at the moment. There's all your queries, tickets, servers. Can't do much with servers. Now that we have logical and physical quotas, I think there's a unification to be had in the nomenclature, and so quotas would be a thing. What other nouns am I missing? But here we are. Don't know if it's going to be real. Happy to defer to the community and not do any of this work and then not maintain any of this code. But it was a fun thing to exercise and scratched my brain. I think that's it. Thanks.
Yep.